World AIDS Day. Meaning World AIDS Day is an annual event dedicated to promoting the effort to eradicate HIV and AIDS, to supporting the tens of millions of people living with the disease, and to remembering, celebrating, and mourning the more than 35 million people who have died as a result of the AIDS epidemic. The history of the AIDS epidemic has involved widespread stigmatizing of the disease and those who have it, especially of those that it disproportionately affects, including gay and bisexual men. Part of the focus of World AIDS Day is identifying and eliminating such stigmas. The day also often involves educational campaigns meant to raise awareness around advances in treatment and the best ways to avoid contracting or transmitting HIV, including frequent testing. World AIDS Day is the first day of the related event known as HIV/AIDS Awareness Month, which is observed during December. Red ribbons are commonly used as a symbol of HIV/AIDS awareness, remembrance of those who have died, and support for those living with the virus. They are commonly worn and displayed during World AIDS Day and HIV/AIDS Awareness Month.